Hello, happy sewing people! I'm so excited to be back with you again this week. I have some gorgeous new fabrics to share that I cannot wait for you to see. I am attempting to get set up here. There we go. I am so excited. So you have to tell me what's on your table and everything. Tell me what you're sewing. Tell me what you're working on. Hi, Shayna. Hi. I'm so excited to be back, y'all. It is a beautiful Friday here in Georgia. We are having the most gorgeous fall weather. I'm loving the cool nights and the warm days. It's making me want to sew all the warm, cozy things. And I keep breaking out the long sleeves even though I end up hot halfway through the day, but you know how that works. But I have to say this one is our Kelly Green model, and it's the Rebecca Page t-shirt dress, and it's just so comfortable. It's so easy to wear, and I definitely last much longer in the long sleeves down here. Hi, Sarah. So I have some beautiful fabrics to share with you today. Don't forget to comment. Every single comment enters you to win this beautiful stack of fabric, which I think I have 7. I could be wrong about that. Don't hold me to that just yet. We can count as we go. But I think I have 7 one-yard cuts to give away today. And I'm super, super excited to see who gets them and what you make with them. Hi, Stephanie. So do y'all just want me to get started? So I mostly have double brush polys for you today. And I am obsessed with all of them. So we are going to start with this beautiful Floral Dance in navy. So a very classic for us floral fabric. Some gorgeous colors in here. I'm absolutely obsessed with the colors of these flowers. So this is a double brush poly. It's 96.4 poly spandex. It's 170 GSM. It has 60% horizontal stretch and 10% horizontal stretch. And y'all, have I got some coordinates for you. So I arranged these, and now I've gotten them out of order, and I'm just not as organized as I should be, but I have some beautiful coordinates for you. So let's start with both ivory and white work with this. So there's some white and sunflowers up over here, and there's some ivory and sunflowers down over here, so you can choose white or ivory and be very happy with it. And then, oh, there's so many to choose from. I'm so excited. I have light pink. So many pinks. Let me see if I can get this up over both shoulders. There we go. Some light pink, just absolutely beautiful. Some pink coral, a little bit deeper. Regular coral, so just coral. Hi, Jennifer. Oh, one of my favorite colors. We also have pink rose. So beautiful. We have light Marsala, which looks so good. I need to move this around so you guys can actually see the flowers that they match, huh? So light Marsala looks so beautiful. And then we also have regular Marsala. So just Marsala. Looks great, matches beautifully. I'm running out of room in my hand, and I still have so many to go. So the light terracotta matches some of these flowers over here. So beautiful. Cinnamon, which just makes my heart soar right there. The cinnamon looks so good with some of these flowers. Absolutely beautiful. And then if you want to get out of the reds and pinks, we also have vintage slate, which is going to be some of these flowers, these leaves right here. Vintage sage, which is one of my absolute favorites, also in the leaves. And vintage purple in these purple flowers. So tons of coordinates to pick from. You really can have basically your favorite and be golden with this one. I absolutely love it. I just want to set aside the coordinates I need again later. So this is Floral Dance in navy. It's so soft. I'm completely obsessed with it, and I cannot wait to see what y'all make with this. So Floral Dance in navy. And next up, y'all know I love the hearts that we have, these tiny little hearts. They make me so happy. So we got another colorway in Marsala. So we have Marsala Hearts here, double brush poly. This is a 96.4 poly spandex. It's also 170 GSM, 80% horizontal stretch, and 10% vertical stretch. So I do have some coordinates for you. Both white and ivory work with the hearts. It's one of those great shades that's like right in between, so it really works with either. You can make it pop a little bit with white, you can have a little softer with the ivory, whatever your preferences works just fine. And then this background color, I'm going to set these down because this background color looks great with the light Marsala and the regular Marsala. It kind of depends on how the light hits the brush on whether it looks a little bit lighter or a little bit darker. So you can choose whatever you prefer. I'm going to just kind of move around a little bit so you can see how great these look with light Marsala and Marsala. So those are your coordinates for this one. And again, this is Marsala Hearts, double brush poly. Hi, Julie. Seeing people say hi, and I don't want to miss it. So I just love these tiny little hearts. They make me so happy. And this Marsala color is it's just beautiful. I also really like the low vertical stretch, Stephanie. It makes it a lot easier when I want to hem something and it's rather big, like a maxi dress or a long skirt or something, so I don't have to worry about it stretching out on me as I wear it. So I don't know if y'all remember the sweater knits from my last video, but I have one more sweater knit for y'all. This one, I'm saying this because the others aren't in front of me or in my hand, but this one might be my favorite. I have an apple sweater knit. So this is so soft and beautiful. This is a rayon poly nylon blend. So it's 50% rayon, so it's so breathable and light. And then it's got enough poly to hold off some wrinkles and some nylon in there. And it's just so soft and it's so beautiful. And this drape is insane. It is the perfect sweater fabric to make beautiful winter sweater knits, or actually fall, because it's kind of lightweight. It's only 160 GSM. So it's pretty lightweight, so it's not going to be overly heavy on you. It's going to be beautiful and drapey and cozy. And then it has 100% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical stretch. So super versatile, absolutely beautiful. I just wish you guys could touch this. It's so lovely. I cannot wait to see all of the beautiful things that you make out of this. I cannot wait. Hi, Becky. What do we have next? So that's 3 if we're counting. That's 3. I really do have 7. Ooh. So 4 more fabrics to go, and I am getting full-on holiday vibes from the rest of my pile. To be fair, including that last sweater knit. So up next we have double brush poly spring plaid. So this is a beautiful plaid. Let me come a little bit closer so you can really see the texture that the plaid has. It's so beautiful. So this is a poly spandex blend. It's 170 GSM, 100% horizontal stretch, and 10% vertical. So super, super versatile. Crazy easy to work with. Not to throw over my shoulder though, apparently. And then I just have one coordinate, I think, for this one. And let me make sure I grab the right one. This is an ivory. So this background, or this, the white in here is an ivory. So I'm super excited about this. It makes me really happy. It makes me want to sew up for a holiday dress or a cute like pencil skirt. So many options. Absolutely beautiful plaid. This green it's a little bit, you can see I wore my Kelly green today, so you can see the slight difference in the greens. It's pretty close, but it's not quite the same. But it is beautiful. So this is spring plaid double brush poly. And I'm in love with it. Oh, a light cardigan would be lovely. You're right, Stephanie. Okay. Ooh, okay, so I've got another floral for you. And I'm obsessed. You should all know that I'm just obsessed with all of these pretty much all the time. Anything new is exciting. So I have for you Crimson Shadow double brush poly. So this is a poly spandex blend. It is 170 GSM, and I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can really see the beautiful shading in here, because it's really quite subtle and lovely and dramatic. It feels very dramatic. So this is 80% horizontal stretch and again 10% vertical stretch. And I have coordinates for you. No surprise there. We have, I've lost my spot again, ivory. So this is an ivory, not a white, red, and black. So this is our red, not our lipstick red, and black. All are our coordinates. They look so beautiful. I love how dramatic this one is. It's so fun to look at. I love it. I love it. So that is Crimson Shadow. double brush poly. And then if the green is more your thing, I've got another green for you. Y'all know I love green. I say that all the time. But this spring at Tropics, so we have this same print in marigold in a beautiful yellow, and everybody just loved it. So we also grabbed it in this beautiful spring green. This is a 96.4 poly spandex blend, 170 GSM. It's so soft, 80% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical. So this one's got a little bit more vertical stretch than some of our others tonight. And this white is right in between again, so you can do white or ivory as your coordinate on this one. We do not have a green that matches this exactly. You can see that the Kelly does not match quite in our model, and we don't have a double brush poly green that matches this. So white and ivory are going to be your choices for coordinates on that. But I think you could pair that with pretty much any solid that you like with green, and it would be beautiful. So that is Spring Tropics double brush poly. Oh, we've already made it to our last one. I talk way too fast, but also it means that they'll be on the website in a few minutes, and you'll get to see them and shop and enjoy. So that's a win. Kelly is very close. They're super similar, just a little bit off, just a slight shade or two off, which is not bad at all. I'm not mad at them together. So my very last double brush poly for today is this cherry red plaid. I want to make my Christmas jammies in this. I want to make some cardigans, maybe a cute fitted dress. There's so many options. I love, love, love how bold this one is. So this is also a poly spandex blend. It's 170 GSM. It's got 60% horizontal stretch and just 10% vertical stretch. And then the only coordinate we have for this is black. So it does not actually match our red or our lipstick red. It is a slightly different red. It's bold and beautiful, and I love plaids. So this is our cherry red plaid double brush poly. It's so beautiful, and it's so soft, and it's screaming holiday vibes to me. Screaming it. So those are our 7 fabrics this week. I have a winner for the last live. So that beautiful stack of fabrics from the last live is going to be Dorothy Prendergast Gable. And if I didn't say that right, I'm so very sorry, but congratulations. Please email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com to claim your prize, and we'll get that shipped out to you. And then, of course, comment and enjoy and share, and that will enter you to win this week's fabrics. And I'll be back with you in a couple weeks with even more new fabrics. So happy sewing, have some fun, and thanks for hanging out with me.